This is just a quick video on scraping algae, hard algae, with a gift card. This one I'm using my Sam's Club card on acrylic. So basically you're going to scrape it up. And pretty much you could put your hand on the glass to see where there's still a lot of algae. On the back is still full of algae. I will get to that. I just wanted to show real quick how I get algae out, hard algae out. And you just drag it up. And basically it gets like that. You could run your hand to see where there's algae right there. Those are the spots that I still need to get. And the whole back.